Okay, didn't see very much videos on these internationals. These anywhere from '07 to '09, but the unit under the seat. To replace this blower motor, you got two screws here, one here and there, and you have this bracket which holds the actuator for to open and close the door, which is down here. All right, so this bracket sits right here. Remove this bracket so you can get access to this bad boy right here. Because once you let the two screws off, you just pry back and it slides right out. All right, hopefully that helps anybody out on the internet. Remember, two screws. Remove this bracket. Remove this bracket, which holds the actuator. Sits here. Bracket out the way. Grab your housing. Pull back, and then slide out. That's it. Oh yeah, don't forget to unplug. This was your resistor. Sits right here. So just unplug it, and then your blower motor unplug. Really simple.